Hello, this is Reverian Rutaisire. I'm going to show you how we can use Google Meet so that we can teach our students. First, you have to write here meet.google.com, and once you have this page like this, you click here, start a meeting, and you will get a page like this, where you can set your camera here. You can switch off this one, or you can switch on your camera as this one. So now, as you see here, we have to join now like this, and you can add people. You can add people. Suppose I want to invite someone here. This is a colleague of mine, and I will send an email, and she will join later, or if she's online, she can go in her email box, and she will see my invitation. So now you can see, for example, here at the bottom we have the meeting details. You can copy the joining info. Here we have also the link that you can send to your participant. Here we have another one, another icon for the mic. You can mute this one, or you can unmute. This is for to terminate your session, to leave the call. This is for the camera. You can activate this one, or you can hide your face. This is for captions. Once you turn on captions, what you will be saying will be written here at the bottom, as you can see. You can see words are appearing here, and you can also you can turn off the caption. You can present what you have for the entire screen. For example, you can share this, and once you want to present this one, suppose I have to present to my student a lesson about the gynecology and obstetrics. And here you can see I can scroll down and so on and so on, so that my student can see what I'm teaching them. You can stop sharing here. And sometimes if you go back here, you have another icon here for the three dots here about more. You can change the layout. You can set the full screen. You can turn on captions again. This is for settings. This is to report a problem, to report any abuse here, and if you want any help, you will click here. So in the upper right corner, you have to visualize the participant, number of people you have online here. At the time being, I'm the one online. So now we have another icon, which is the chat. And once you want to send a message to them, you will click on the chat and you can send a message like this one. Thank you for watching, and I thank you again.